Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make or restring your pearl bracelet. Remember my previous video of making a matte black onyx necklace? We will use the exact way to make it, but with one trick. Materials for this bracelet: natural formed freshwater pearl. You can make it with any shapes of pearls. And then the sprung clip and bell clasp, 0.5 mm non-elastic jewelry string, and the open end needle. And since the bead holes of pearls are usually small, we will use the needle to thread all the pearl beads first, and then we connect it to the bell clasp. First step, we get the string ready and then thread the pearl beads. Alright, the pearl string is ready. Now put it through one of the holes on the bell cup. And then thread it back again through the same hole. This time, go around the small bar inside. Now here's the trick. Take out the needle like this, and then the whole pearl string goes through this ring like this. Pull it tight. It becomes like this. Now we thread the needle again. And then repeat the same step. Put it through one of the holes on the bell cup. And then thread it back again through the same hole, but go around the small bar inside. Now separate two strings like this. One of the strings comes up from behind. Put it tight and then tie two knots, 1 and 2. Okay, the last step, cut the string and burn like this. And then it's done. So pretty and easy making. You can use the same method to make or restring your beautiful pearl necklace. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.